So I installed my NEMA 2000 cable, my motor here. This is a 2007 Yamaha 225. Just needed to remove this bolt here, 10 millimeter, this bolt here, and this bolt here. This whole piece comes off. And you just split your grommet. It's split by itself automatically. You split the grommet, lay the cable in there, put everything back together, and put the collar on there. I just tie wrapped it all the way around into my boat. The connector inside is this thing right here. That's the cap. I took that off of this right here. You can see. And then I just plugged in my NEMA cable here into that. And that's it. It's pretty simple. 3 bolts, 1 plug, and 1 extra tie wrap. And your motor's done. And then 20 tie wraps or 10 or whatever around there into the boat.